So talking about the instant gravy, we do have two mother sauce today. One is the poultry gravy and the other one is the brown gravy. I will show you how easy it is to prepare the gravy itself. So first, you need to measure your 4 liters of liquid. Personally, what I like to do, I like to roast vegetable with bones if you can, adding some herbs. That's going to bring more flavor to your gravy. So you just strain everything. And again, as is, the gravy is really good, but that's a nice way to bring some flavor and also a signature to your plate. So what I will do, I will now just add some water because as I said, you need 4 liters of water per bag. There we go. And for 30 seconds, I need to whisk 1 full pouch into the liquid. So pretty much anyone can do that. It's easy. And as you can see, after a few minutes, your gravy will become thicker and a little bit creamier. So now you just wait for about 2-3 more minutes and you will get something really thick, nice, and easy to use. So here we are 3 minutes later. As you can see, the gravy is now a little bit thicker. So you have a nice texture, it's creamy. And you can really use it as is. Of course, I'll show you here. So you have a really nice gravy to serve. It's not something too thick or too thin. Of course, you can play with the dilution. If ever you want to create something a little bit thicker, you can use only 3.5 liters of water. And if you want to create something more like for a soup, a chowder, or a different type of recipes, you can use 5 or 6 liters. That's going to create more like a velouté. And remember, those 4 liters of liquid can be substituted by anything. So if you want to add some wine, some beer, some apple juice, or if you want to bring some broth from bones, or just adding some vegetable, just make sure that you got your 4 liters of liquid to balance the thickness. And because the product is sodium reduced, you got room to cook. So if you want to add some flavor in it, it's really up to you to bring some signature into your gravy.